Hi everybody, welcome back to another plan with me in my So Much Crafting B6 inserts. These are from So Much Crafting, as I just said. We are planning February 5th through February 11th this week, and I think I'm going to use my brand new pink Popsicle Studio kit, and I'm filming it nighttime with a light, so I apologize for the major glare because these are glossy stickers. I will try my best to show you everything without a glare, but when I'm putting it in my planner, I probably won't be able to do that. Anyways, this is the Quidditch kit, and it is super cute. It says, don't chase the quaffle if you see the snitch, and sorry, can't hang out, it's Quidditch season. And then you have Gryffindor and Hufflepuff boxes with their crest, and then you have Ravenclaw and Slytherin boxes with broom and bat and ball. And then you have the cup with the broomsticks, and then the keeper over there, and then some little strips, down here at the bottom. And then we have checklists, little checklists, teardrops, weekend banner, bill due, vitamins, hydrate, date night, deco. I know it's crooked or sideways. And then we have half boxes icons to do today. Work, which I don't know. Maybe I'll try using those. We'll see. And then some extra boxes, and like I said, the half boxes. I didn't really think about those. Work. I don't know. I do not know what I'm going to do. I think I want to start on my sidebar because there's a couple sidebar things here that I want to use that I normally wouldn't get to because they don't come in kits. So I think I'm going to, oh gosh, and I'm putting glossy on this paper. Whew, scary. I think I'll do this one at the very, very top. Oh, scary, scary, scary. Oh, it looks like I never trimmed my box from last week. That's okay. Okay, that's not on straight. Let's see if I can pull it up. I mean, I think it's on straight, but it's not covering the lines. Oh my God, it's ripping the paper. Okay, let's try again. Move it over a little. Okay, I hope that's on straight. Really hope. Okay, so we have this vitamin tracker, or pill tracker, I guess. And then we also have a hydrate. And I want to use both of those over here. And then I'll need one less of these because I have the pill tracker over on this side. And then I'm not sure if I should put the work boxes there or if I should do, oh my gosh, I don't know. Maybe I'll just leave that for now, and then I feel like I want to put a full checklist on every day. But then at the same time I don't, because I could write in these boxes. I don't know. Okay, maybe I'll put these in. So I'm going to cover up. I think I have to white those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the tops of these ones I have to white out. Otherwise, I think it should fit like last week, because Erin Condren boxes are basically all the same size from shops. And then we'll put the cup on the lines next to it. I'm getting more used to these, these inserts. I feel a lot more confident now. Okay, so we have hydrate, medicine. We can do 4 different things here. I can do dinners here. So do I want a checklist on every day or not? I guess I need to decide that. Okay, we have a bill due sticker and I have a bill on Sunday. So I'm going to stick this down at the very bottom. And then the weekend banner has a flat top, so I think I'm going to put that at the very top of these. It's so cute that it's like all the colors. It's very sporty. Okay. Oh, that's adorable. Like I said, very sporty. Okay, so we have that. And then I do have some 3-heart checklists. So if I need to put a 3-heart checklist here, I can. Okay, we're going to make black for Monday. And then we'll do red for Tuesday. We will do yellow for Wednesday. And then gray Thursday. Orange on Friday. And then I think I'll build up from there. No, maybe not. Maybe I'll go the top. Okay, so we'll do to do at the top. This always makes me nervous because if they're crooked, then everything ends up crooked. Okay, gray and orange. And then maybe what I'll do, oh my gosh, okay, so we're going to put checklists on some of the days, but not all of the days. Because some of these are boxes that you can write in. So I think I'm going to put those on. We'll do orange with the blue and orange. And then maybe a full checklist here. And a full checklist here. And then this box here. Holy crooked. That means my header is really crooked, but we'll deal with that. Okay. And then on the weekend, let's see, we have green and blue, right? So maybe I'll do green down here. And then the blue small checklist with the blue and green headers. Super cute. Okay, and then we can put this guy in the sidebar. And we probably have room for a half box. Let's see. Maybe the snitch. Would that be weird because it's right here? But I feel like the hoops would be even weirder. And the people are already at the top. Totally. Okay, and then I can probably fit a half box here. So maybe I'll put the people one there. Since that's kind of far away from the sidebar. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, what else? What else? So, we have a planner. I'll put that on Friday. And then I think I'll just write film or put a sticker for film in there. What else? My gosh, you guys, this is adorable. Oh, maybe I could put a broom in here. That would be cute. Ta-da! All right, so I don't know what else I would need. This is so cute. I really just have videos and then 2 months till my birthday and one bill on Sunday, which I've already marked. So I think I might be done for now. Obviously I have room for deco and I have deco. I also have these little things and more checklists in case I would want them. And then I have half boxes, icons, and today headers, which I don't think I'll need, but I could pull those into another spread. Maybe I shouldn't have used all the full boxes, but that was fun. And then I have these little 4 strips, which I can totally use in between. I might put them on the days that have the checklist because they're a little bit more plain. So I could put this, actually maybe I'll do that now. I could do the Hufflepuff colors on Monday. And then the Slytherin colors, and that way I can bring a little green up and a little yellow over. Well, that's fun. I probably should have put the planner down after, but that's okay. Yeah, I think it's adorable. Let me know what you guys think. That was like super, super fast, easy peasy. Let me know what you think of the sidebar setup, if that's weird for you, but I think I like it. And then I can do 4 things. I can do dinners here, and I can put whatever comes up during the week because I really don't know. So let me know what you guys think of this Harry Potter spread. I personally love it. Have a great day, guys. Bye.